Okay, so this is just a quick video on showing you how the large condenser from Syrris that is configured to go with the Atlas systems can run in both reflux and distillation mode. So I'll just give you a quick anatomy on this. So you bring the cold water here, you can come in from either here or here. Just swap these two around, so you can bring the water up here or bring the water in here. So anyway, the water comes in here, fills the outside of this, and then actually enters into the coil here. So bring the cold water in, it fills this up, and then flows into the coil, and then travels up the coil, and then flows out here. Or you can flow it out here as well. You can take this cap off and change that. So in, down, into here, fill the coil up, and out again. Now, why this is then a reflux or distillation is really what's going on down here. So you're expecting the vapor to be condensing on this coil, and what happens is it condenses on the coil, runs down, and there's a sort of what we call a coal finger that the vapor or the liquid now comes down, and it's dripping off here. And when you're in this configuration, it's dripping off and running back into the reactor. So that's the reflux mode. So the vapor is condensing on the coil, it runs down the coil, drips off here and back into the reactor. And this is the sort of clever bit now, how you can then change into distillation mode. Just rotate. I'm just rotating with my hand. Now you're condensing on the coil, you're running down, you're dripping off, and you're being caught here. Now I'll take this plug off, put on one of these, which will ship with it. So now you can collect your liquid here. So you can be in this mode and you're effectively distilling. Or in this mode, and now you're refluxing. So what I'll do is I'll do a quick summary of what we discussed. So what we've discussed is bring the cooling water in here, it fills up, comes down, fills up the coil, flows out here, great.